Hello friends, my name is Avdesh Meena. I secured 9th rank in ESE examination 2016. I am from Civil Engineering Department. So as far as ACE is concerned, I joined the interview guidance program of ACE Academy, and as I was not at Delhi, so I appeared at the interviews through the Skype. The interviews were really very helpful, and it provided me an environment similar which I would face in the actual interview at the UPSC. Also, it helped me to boost my self-confidence. So I was confident while appearing at interview that I have appeared in such situations already, and few questions were also related to the similar questions which were asked in the ACE Academy background. And as far as preparation is concerned, I believe that practice is the key. So I did not prepare the theory and concept in very detail. I just read them once, but I practiced through all the questions, especially the last year questions of 10 years, 15 years. So such ACE books are available, so you can practice those books if you have less time, and you could also go for concepts. But if you have less time, you can go through those questions, and the concepts can be brushed up from the questions itself. Like suppose you got a question on any topic, then if you do not know that topic, go and brush up your concepts. That would be helpful if you have less time for preparation of exams.